Hi everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another fantastic week on the Fluid Art Express with my amazing art family. I hope you just watched Shambi. If you didn't, go back and watch. She's fantastic. And also this week we have the fabulous Carrie from FlukieFluidArt. Thank you so much for joining us again, Carrie. I really loved your work and I think you're an amazing person. So we'll put the link up. Check her out. Go subscribe to her channel. Alright, so today I'm just having a play with, of course, Wombat colours, all custom, but just going to use colours that I don't always use together and we'll see if we can get a pretty cool new palette. So let's put our feet up, tap some tunes, let's go have some fun.
Tend to give him way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic. Don't need to waste my time trying to prove I'm enough for you. I just happen to make it a habit. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, had the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Your empty words left me distracted. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Baby I'm fine. I'll be alright, with or without you. Don't waste my time. Feeding me lies, I know you're about to. I don't need to wait no more. I don't even miss you. I'm already out the door. No, it's not an issue. Trust me, baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. You know I'm fine. Living a daydream. Baby I'm fine. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine.
New day coming, got my soul running. Look to bluer skies. Heartbeat drumming, got my blood humming. Feels like I'm a fly. I'm ready for it. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Yeah, it feels good to be me. to be me. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Get free, free, do what you do, go on and be what you please. Get free, free, move how you move, go on and be what you please. Get free, free, do what you do, go on and be what you please. Get free, free, move how you move, go on and be what you please. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I've got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Whoa. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Yeah. Oh, it feels good to be me. There's a fire inside and I just can't hide it. There's a fire inside and I just can't fight it. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. There's a feeling inside, let it take it over. Past is in the past, wipe it off my shoulder. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. I was born in the river and the river was wild, washed by the water. I've been baptized. Out of the ashes I rise and like a phoenix. If you try to hold me back, you better believe that I'm catching on fire. My voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. There's a burning in my soul like a southern preacher. I can feel it boiling up like a new believer. You know I'm coming for you. I was born in the river and the river was wild, washed by the water. I've been baptized.
Alrighty, well I hope you enjoyed the close-up reel of that one. Man, that palette's rocking, I love it. And all the little cells that have got the multicolours and the little rings, I think that's really, really cool. I love when that happens on a radial. Makes me smile. So that was fun. Hope you enjoyed. And that is it for me this week, guys. So as always, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day and thanks for watching. I nearly lost my breath then. Go get messy!